You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing word. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, more correct pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got many more videos that you'll want to learn and hear from. Ischemic, both British and American English pronunciations are similar. Let's break down into syllable ischemic. The stress is on the key syllable. I know the AE in the middle makes it a bit confusing and looks like it could be said it's ischemic, but it's normally ischemic. It's easy. Once you know, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.